In this video, we're going to look at creating tabs from documents in Microsoft Teams. So I'm in a chat conversation with my colleague and I've shared a document with him in the chat conversation. And I want to be able to go in here and collaborate on this document together. But if I need to do it at the moment, I'm going to have to click on the three dots, or I'm going to have to go into the Files tab and find that document there. But what I can do is I can create a tab out of this document, so I don't have to go and find it in the conversation or in the file section. And the way to do that in chats is to click on the plus at the top, just to the right hand side of activity. And then I need to select the application that's relevant to the document. So I've uploaded a Word document, so I need to select Word. And because I've shared this document in the chat conversation, it's there and it's available for me. So click on the document and then I can post to the chat about this tab, so I can let my colleague know that I've created a tab so we can collaborate in a much easier and more productive way. And when I click on save there, it's just going to create the tab for me. So it's automatically created for the top. I've got a drop down where I can change the name so I can make it more relevant so we know what we're going into, especially if I've got a couple of documents there saved as tabs that we're working on together. And I can go in there and work on the online version of Word, and me and my colleague can do it at the same time. Real productivity tip there for you. Have as many as you want. Focus on the documents that you're going to collaborate on the most though. But give that a go and it will just give you much easier access to those documents that you're always going into and the ones that you're working on. And you can always remove them from the tab, but they will still stay within the chat conversation when you don't need them anymore, and change it to be something else.